In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly get instant 20% discount from pictory.ai. So after watching this video, you are able to get 20% instant discount from pictory.ai. First, going on my video description, then I will attach in a link. Then if you click here, you are redirected to this another web page. Then you need to log in with your Gmail. This is enough for first step. Then go to my subscription or click on upgrade. Okay, now you can choose any plan. Example purpose, I choose professional. Then click on buy. Then here I type KUOQK. Just write this coupon code. Then this coupon code I will also attach in my video description. You can see before applying this coupon code, my price are 468 USD, but now I get 20% discount and 93.60 US dollar. Then now my price are 374 US dollar for yearly. If you choose monthly, this is possible. This is the same method. Then click on process, then buy this plan. So this is a method how you can get instant 20% discount from pictory.ai using my coupon code KUOQK. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.